Now, another type of probability distribution, binomial distribution. Now, before understanding what is binomial distribution, you must understand Bernoulli trials. The concept of Bernoulli trial was given by a statistician named James Bernoulli. Suppose a dichotomous random experiment has two outcomes, success and failure. Every experiment will result into two outcomes, either success or failure. For example, when you will hit a target will hit or it will be missed. You will toss a coin. Getting head is regarded as success and getting tail is regarded as failure. If you participate in any sporting event, either you will win, either you will lose. So this type of experiment, which is repeated n times under identical condition, and every time the probability of success at each trial remains same, remains constant, then such trials are called Bernoulli trials, where probability of success is denoted by P and probability of failure is denoted by Q. So probability of getting a success at each Bernoulli trial will remain same, remains constant. Bernoulli trials are mutually independent, means getting success or failure at any trial does not depend on getting success or failure at the previous trial. For example, in any sporting event, if particular team has lost the previous match, it has nothing to do whether it will win the next match or lose the next match. Each and every outcome will having independent probability, even though probability of success will remain constant, but that does not be affected by previous or succeeding trial. Success and failure are mutually exclusive and exhaustive event. P plus Q is equal to 1. Total probability 1. Probability of success plus probability of failure is equal to 1. So Q is equal to 1 minus P, or you can say P is equal to 1 minus Q. Now, binomial distribution. Suppose X denotes number of success in sequences of success and failure obtained in Bernoulli trial. Then X is called binomial random variable, and X can assume any value in the finite set 0, 1, 2 up to n. Then the probability distribution of this binomial random variable is called binomial probability distribution. Its formula is Px is equal to NCx, P raised to x into Q raised to n minus x. This is called probability function or probability formula. Expected frequency of number of success is capital N into Px. Then property of binomial distribution, very important for your theory 2-mark question. Binomial distribution is a distribution of discrete random variable. N and P are its main element. That's why they are called its parameters. The mean of binomial distribution is N into P, small n into P. Its variance is NPQ and standard deviation is root NPQ. So value of mean is always greater than variance. If value of P is less than 1 by 2, less than half, then the skewness of distribution is positive. If value of P is greater than 1 by 2, then skewness of distribution is negative. And if P is equal to exactly 1 by 2, there is no skewness, or you can say the distribution is perfectly symmetric. Its frequency curve will be perfectly bell shaped. Like this. Positively skewed binomial distribution, symmetric binomial distribution, and negative binomial distribution. there are 3% defective item in the item produced by a factory. 4 items are selected at random from the item produced. So n is 4. What is the probability that there will be no defective item? Means all item will be non-defective. So here there will be no defective item. There will be 0 defective item. P 3% means 0.03. 3 divided by 100. And Q is equal to 1 minus P. 0.97. 4 items are selected. And you have to find the probability that there will be no defective item. X 0. So you have to find out P 0 by simply putting the value in the formula. So N is 4. C X, that is 0. P 0.03 raised to 0 and 0.97 raised to 4 minus 0. So anything C0 will be 1, anything raised to 0 will be 1, and 0.97 raised to 4. Zero point 8853. Clear? The probability that a person living in a city is non-vegetarian is 0.20. Find the probability that at the most 2% out of 6% randomly selected from the city is non-vegetarian. At the most 2 means 2 or less than 2. Means 0, 1 and 2. Person is non-vegetarian. Q, person is vegetarian. Out of 6, at the most 2 means 2 or less than 2. So first of all, we will individually find out P0, P1 and P2. One, 2, 6, 2, 1. आवाज Then out of 6, 1 person is vegetarian, non-vegetarian. 6C1 0.2 raised to 1, 0.8 raised to 6 minus 1, that is 5. 6C1 6. Into 0.2621 plus 0.3932 0.901 बराबर. Now, the mean and variance of binomial distribution are 3.9 and 2.73 respectively. Find the number of Bernoulli trial conducted in this experiment and write Px, that's formula of probability distribution. Mean is 3.9. So whenever mean and variance is given, you have to take ratio of variance and mean. That will give you Q. See, variance is NPQ and mean is NP. So NP cut. So 2.73 divided by 3.9. So your Q is 0.7. So P is equal to 1 minus 0.7. That is 0.3. Now you have to find out total number of Bernoulli trials, that is N. Now NP, that is mean, is equal to 3.9. So your N is 30. Now you have to write the formula of probability distribution. So Px, N Cx, P raised to x, and Q raised to n minus x. Here. Ready, cover? No. During the war, on an average, one ship out of 9 got sunk in a certain voyage. Out of 9, one ship got sunk. So probability that a ship will got sunk is 1 by 9, and it will be saved. So 1 minus 1 by 9, that is 8 by 9. Find that exactly 5 out of a convoy of 6 ships would arrive safely. Now see, here probability will change. You have been given the probability that ship will got sunk, and you have to find out the probability that ship will arrive safely. So now your P is 8 by 9, because out of 9 ships, 1 is got sunk. So 8 will be safe. So your probability of success will be 8 by 9. So what has been asked in question, accordingly probability of success and probability of failure will change. One minus 1 by 9. So 1 minus 1 8 by 9. P is 8 by 9 and Q is 1 by 9. Out of 6, 5 will return safely. One by 9 raised to 6 minus 1. 6 minus 5, that is 1. Zero point 3699. So 0.30, 15. Assume that on an average, one line out of 4 telephone line remains busy between 2 p.m. and 3 p.m. on weekdays. Out of 4, one line will be busy. So your P will be 1 by 4 and Q will be 1 minus 1 by 4. So 3 by 4. Find the probability that out of 6 randomly selected telephone line, not more than 3. Not more than 3 means 3 or less than 3. P of X less than or equal to 3. So P0 plus P1 plus P2 or plus P3. At least 3 of them will be busy. At least 3. 3 or more than 3. So P3 plus P4 plus P3 plus P4. Now P3, P4, P5 and P6. At least 3 है ना, total 6 है N. So at least 3 means 3 or more than 3. So P3 plus P4 plus P5 plus P6. बराबर? One out of 4 will be busy. So Q will be 1 minus 1 by 4. Now, first question, not more than 3. So 3 or less than 3. Okay. Px okay, 6c 0 1 by 4 raised to 0 3 by 4 raised to 6. આપણે આવું કરીએ ને બરાબર છે. બે ક્વેશ્ચન પૂછે છે. બીજો ક્વેશ્ચન છે more than or equal to 3. P3 plus P4 plus P5 and P6. Now, instead of finding 0, 1, 2, 3, I can simply from total probability I can subtract this P4 plus P5 plus P6. तो भी आई ना total probability 1. From that P4 P5 P6 minus कर दो तो 0 1 2 3 आई है. अरे तो ઊંધું કરે તો हाँ થાય જ ને આમાં भी થાય ઉપર હોય તો डिनोमिनेटर सेम છે એટલે ન્યુમરેટર નું ટોટલ થઈ જશે 540 135 plus 18 plus 1 694 divided by 4096, so 0.1694. સેકન્ડ નું છે હવે ફર્સ્ટ માં P4 135 upon 4096 plus 18 upon 4096. 135 plus 18 plus 1. Illustration 17. In a binomial distribution for px n is equal to 8, 2 of p4 is equal to 5 of p3. Find the probability of getting success in all trials. So you have to find out p8. So for that, first of all, we have to find out p and q from this given information. And 8. So from that other information 2 okay. Now 2 into p4, so here x will be 4. So our formula so 2 into 8c4 p raised to 4 q raised to 8 minus 4, so that is 4 equal to 5p3 है 5 into 8c3 p raised to 3 q raised to 8 minus 3, that is 5. 8c4 8 into 7 into 6 into 5 divided by 24 70. 8c3 56. 14 5s are 14 4s are 5 cut 5 cut 2 cut 2 cut. Then again p raised to 4 p raised to 3, so here p will remain and here q will remain, so ultimately it will be p is equal to 2 into q. Instead of q I will write 1 minus P. So P is equal to 2 minus 2P. So 3P is equal to 2. So P is equal to 2 by 3 and Q is equal to 1 minus 2 by 3. So 1 by 3. Now you have to find out the probability of getting success in all trials. So P8, 8C8, 2 by 3 raised to 8 into 1 by 3 raised to 256. 6561. So 256 divided by 6561. Clear? For a binomial distribution, mean is 18, variance is 4.5. Determine whether the skewness of distribution is positive or negative. Skewness can be decided on the basis of value of P. If value of P is less than 1 by 2, that is less than 0.5, then skewness is positive. And if value of P is greater than 1 by 2, that is 0.5, then it will be negative. Variance upon mean. .5 divided by 18, so 0. Q is 0.25. So P is 1 minus 0.25, that is 0.75, which is greater than 1 by 2. Negative skewness. Then a balanced dice is tossed 7 times. Your N is 7. If the event of getting number 5 or more is called success. Dice पर तो 6 numbers સુધી જ હોય. Means getting number 5 or getting number 6 is success. That is your P. X denotes the number of success in 7 trials. Then write the probability distribution. Find the probability of getting 4 success. Find the probability of getting at the most 6 success. Your N is 7. Getting 5 or 6 is success. So out of 6 trials, 2 numbers are success, 5 and 6. So P will be 2 by 6, that is 1 by 3, and Q will be 2 by 3. Now first, your probability function. 7cx into 1 by 3 raised to x and 2 by 3 raised to 7 minus x. Find the probability of getting 4 success. P4. So instead of x there will be 4. Then find the probability of getting at the most 6 success. Means 6 or less than 6. So P0, P1, P2, P3, P4 plus P5 plus P6. Instead of doing that, if I will subtract P7 from total probability, I will get the answer. Point